In this video, we're going to review Scope, a brand new software by Al Cheeseman. He says it's going to help build buyers lists like wildfire. Is it all it's cracked up to be? All this up on Wealth with Rob. So Scope, is it all that it's cracked up to be? It says that it's a breakthrough software that snipes virtually unlimited buyer traffic and turns it into passive income. The claims it's making, it's never before seen technology, 100% newbie friendly, no monthly fees, works in any niche, 100% free buyer traffic instantly, runs 24/7, 365 on demand, builds a passive income today, and a full money back guarantee. But is it exactly that? In it, it says there's 3 simple steps. Step number 1, grab Scope. You gotta buy the software. Step 2, log in, simply fill in the blanks. Very easy to do. Step 3 is stand back and watch your profits come in no time. And of course, he's giving some screenshots of his affiliate sales. Al Cheeseman, he is a guy who is an internet marketer, one of the top dogs rising right now. He's coming through and he says this traffic is spectacular. But is it exactly everything that it claims to be? Scope is a brand new software that simply lets people do the work for you. Now, I myself got access to this product. I had a chance to look at it. I had a chance to play with it. So let's go ahead and see if it's exactly that. So this is what it looks like when you log into the dashboard. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now, the sources of where this traffic is coming from are from various places that are not the typical places that you see with other similar software. So a couple of things that I noticed immediately, okay? Now, I want to say from the outset, I like the software, not a big fan of the sales page, and here's why. Because it says it builds buyer traffic. It can, but that's not all that it does. It actually is a list building tool, and it also said that this has never been before seen. Well, that's not exactly true either. But I tell you why I still like this software is because not only is it super simple to create the pages, but it's only a one-time fee, and it can, in fact, be very profitable. I have a software that costs me a heck of a lot more money than Scope that essentially does the same thing. And as you can see, all I had to do in order to get inside of the software was click on Create Promotion, and it brought me to a screen where it said Create Your First Campaign. And now the very first step in doing so is simply putting in what the title of your campaign is going to be. And I'm going to put here, Learn How to Make Money Online Passively, Easily, and Free, okay? And then we click Next. Now, the second part is, what is your promotion preview? This is going to be some type of banner or a YouTube video. Now, I'm going to go ahead and grab a YouTube video. Now, with that said, there are many different uses for this. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and grab a video. It doesn't matter which one, it's just going to be showing you exactly what it's going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this video here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add that in here. Okay. Now, next, what is your promotional content? It says, we need your promotion content to show visitors after they share, follow, refer, or invite friends. This can be a coupon code, daily deal, payment, or download link, video, or any embedded media. So let's go ahead and just say it's going to be a affiliate link. And I'm going to just simply use Google as the example, okay? Now, the next portion of this is going to be where the magic for this software comes in. It says we need to know what way do visitors claim your promotion, such via social sharing, following, referring, inviting friends, or playing a game. Now, this is where the real power of this software comes in, because if you are a marketer of any sort and you, let's say, have a blog or a video and you want to get more views on those items, you can make sure that they share your content before they get the gift that you are giving them. Okay, so this is a great way of building up more social views on your YouTube channel. This is a great way to get more people going to your blog. This is also a great way to get more people to either like your Facebook page or follow you on Twitter, or even more subscribers to your YouTube channel. And of course, additional things are available as well. Now, the very first one is social share. You could tell it whether you want 1 share, 2 shares, or 3. Now, I wouldn't do more than just 1, simply because it's going to be hard to convince somebody to do more than 1 on a single network share. Okay, do you want to include follow buttons? Yes, sure. And then look at all of these different traffic sources that are available. Now, obviously, you probably don't have all of these hooked up, but this is going to be a great way for you to get as many people following you in many different areas as possible. And as we know, the more that you're seen, the more that your promotions are seen, the more times that you're able to be in front of people, the more sales you're absolutely going to get. And you just simply fill in all of the information that is relevant. Do you want to create a contact form, which would be via either WhatsApp, phone number, Messenger, Telegram, Skype? I mean, the options are really endless with this. One of the most unique things that I've seen about it is how many different ways you're able to actually grab somebody's information, and in the different mediums that you can actually grab their information. Now, this one is for social following. Okay, do you want people to follow you on these various networks, same as the last one, or do you want referrals? Okay, and you can put, 10, let's just say 15 different shares. Where they would have to share it in order to unlock the content that you're providing them. Do you want to have a contact form in here, same as the earlier one, or social rewards? This one is must share link with a certain amount of friends to get 5 stars and unlock the content, or up to 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25. Now, let's just go ahead and say, let's go ahead and do this. Let's do the social refer, okay? And then what we're going to do is click next. And how long do you want to have this running for? Do you want to show timer? Let's go ahead and every first of the month, and that is it. We're going to submit it, and minimum 2 contact accounts required. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on pause while I create that. I did one better. Look at this. Look at this page now, okay? This one was built in under a few minutes. It's got the timer at the top. It's got the nice little image going on there. And it has all of the different ways that somebody can share and get the unlocked offer. Okay, so it looks like they have to share it at least 3 times before they're able to get the offer. So let's go ahead and say we want to share it to Facebook. Obviously, Facebook is going to populate here, get your bonuses, and it's going to share the very same page. We can go ahead and click on LinkedIn share. It's going to hook up to your LinkedIn channel. And then let's say you wanted to share it via Twitter, the 3 main. All right. And just like that, boom, you have the information that pops up for them to complete in order to get the information. Once they click on verify and submit, you're going to get met with the free bonus, the training video, the free download, the ebook, really whatever it was that your desired outcome was going to be. So I love the software. The software does exactly what it says in terms of it working, and it will help drive more traffic. Will it build buyers for you? Possibly. And I've seen these work really well over and over again. But is it going to build only buyers? No, it's not. It's certainly going to build an email list for you much faster. It's going to be all free, and it is absolutely easy to use. So is it worth it for the $15? Yes, it absolutely is. Not a big fan of the sales page, but the software does in fact show a benefit, show something that is worthwhile. So go ahead, if this is something that looks appealing to you, click on the link inside of the description below, and we'll see you on the inside. Thanks again, guys.